Hello and welcome. My name is Kerry and this is my current single pole thermostat that's in my living room. You can tell this is a single pole thermostat because most single pole thermostats have two wires and do not have a true off setting. Looking at this thermostat, notice there is a low setting but no off setting. The problem with my current thermostat is that it isn't very accurate. I have this SmartRow SC42 indoor thermometer showing the temperature in my living room is 72 degrees. But if I increase the heat on the thermostat, it turns on around 45 degrees. So the accuracy of the thermostat is off more than 20 degrees. What I'm going to do is replace the old thermostat with the new Cadet single pole thermostat. To begin, I'll shut off the power to the thermostat at the breaker panel. Next, I'll remove the cover on the old thermostat and the two screws that secure the base to the outlet box. When the screws are removed, I'll pull the thermostat away from the box and remove the two wire nuts connecting the wires. Next, I'll take the new thermostat and connect the red wire on the thermostat to the black wire coming from the breaker panel. Then I'll connect the black wire on the thermostat to the black wire going to the wall heater. Next, I'll tuck the wires into the outlet box and install the two screws provided clockwise to secure the thermostat to the outlet box. The final step is to push the cover onto the thermostat and turn the power back on at the breaker panel. After a week of use, I've found this new Cadet thermostat is accurate and I don't have to guess at the temperature when turning up the heat. I can set the temperature at 70 degrees and the new Cadet thermostat keeps the temperature at that level. So that ends my video, and thanks for watching.